Right, so we're going to take another example. In this case, I'm adding 3/4 and 1/12. And this one might be easy enough that you might just immediately see what you need to do, and you might be tempted to just move right along. But I would like to take some time with this example and practice some techniques that will be more helpful when we have more complicated fractions to work with. So what I'd like to point out to you is that we need to find the least common denominator. And in this case, least doesn't mean the most uncommon denominator, it means the smallest. Okay. So I hope you can see that I wrote smallest there. Alright, now we sometimes refer to the least common denominator by its initials, just LCD. And to find the LCD, we're going to use prime factorization of each denominator in our problem, and then we're going to take the highest power of each factor to construct the LCD. So if I write this out, my two denominators here, I have 4 and I have 12. And when I take the prime factorization of 4, it's just 2 squared. When I do the same thing for 12, I have 2 squared times 3. So those are all prime factors. We'll pick the highest power. In this case, as I mentioned, it's fairly simple, but I've made a structure here, so I have columns basically that I can use, and I'm going to take 2 squared, which is 4, and multiply it by 3. That's going to give me a least common denominator of 12.